Oh, mga Marcos loyalist at saka yung mga vlogger, sagutin nyo to ha. O ito, panoorin nyo yung sinabi ni Colonel Jovi Espinido sa kanyang opinion kung ano ang masasabi niya sa war on drugs ng dating Pangulong Duterte. Kayo na umusga at kung may duda kayo, kausapin nyo si Colonel Jovi.
Now, my question, Mr. Chair and Mr. Witness, how would you characterize the war against illegal drug during the time of President Rodrigo Roa Duterte?
It's very impressive, Your Honors. And,
I'm
maybe
sorry, what
makasabi,
was the first sentence of your answer?
it's very impressive naman, Your Honors, and very practical, and masabi ko, Your Honors, na marami ang nasiyahan, no? Because sa akin naman, na hinanap na yung source ng drugs